Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a banned account on Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click on Candy Crush Saga and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.